What the
I hope our
heck?
school's flooded.
It's green.
I think they left a school. Look.
It's not as bad now, but
It's pretty good.
it's gonna get worse.
Did it just usually stop?
No, but it's still lightning out. Okay, we gotta get ready to get out, and then do you want us to wait in the store? Grandma, can we win? Okay.
Or outside, whatever you want.
Come.
If all that's missing is some education and training, it's time to fit college into your life. Berlin Community College will prepare you so you can create a future with more job stability and money. It's not too late to learn about health sciences and find a career with
Oh God.
Wait, right here.
Look at that.
That's
That's nasty.
Caleb, come here.
Softmobile.
It's 'cause it's
Tough. All right, Alex, you ready?
This is not heavy.
Huh? Okay. All right, you ready?
Did you just hear him? This is not heavy. He's trying to cover.
Caleb, come here. Caleb, come here.
They're running.
It's because I don't want to get wet. Caleb, stop. So there has been a tornado watch. Yeah, guys, there's been a tornado watch down not too far from our house. It's just like an hour away. And it's kind of scary because the sky's turning green. But I gotta go just by.